Hey there, I am Aria Sonnet, your friendly talking doll presenter. If you are new to my show, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. In this episode, we are creating a custom design based on the Capricorn sign of the zodiac. If you watched our last episode, you will remember we were gifted this Rainbow High Jade doll. So we are going to transform Jade into a cool and creepy Capricorn creature. So sit back and enjoy the show, and please comment and hit the like button. It really helps our channel to grow. First, we have to remove all Jade's hair ready for her makeover. We use these curved nail scissors to trim the hair. We discovered that Jade's hair was thicker than the Bratz doll's hair, so we had to switch up to heavier duty scissors. We cut the hair as close to the scalp as possible, working our way around the head until all the hair is cut nice and short. These scissors seem a bit blunt. We really need to invest in some proper hair scissors. What would you like to see us do for the next custom doll makeover? We were thinking another zodiac doll. Aquarius, perhaps? I'd love to hear your ideas. Drop a comment in the chat and tell me what you think we should do. Once it is all cut off, we go around the head trimming shorter and shorter. This will help in the next stage. It's a shame a little boy cut the hair short before we got the doll, because Rainbow High dolls have such lovely long hair, and we could have reused it in another doll hair reroute. Did you notice we had made some pointy ears, but they kept falling off? And to be honest, we did not like them as they were not right for the final look. So in the end, we just removed them. Now we heat up the head to soften the plastic. This makes removing the head easier and will avoid damaging the neck joint. We have to ease it off gently. It's very important not to rush this stage. We're using a blunt screwdriver to scrape the hair plugs off from the inside of the scalp, working our way around to make sure all the hair plugs are gone. It takes a long time and you may miss a few hairs. Just keep checking and you will get them all. Can you see the hair disappearing into the head? This is such a satisfying process. While we watch this, I have a bit of time to tell you more about our show. We will be doing some doll unboxing and new product reviews very soon. We also received some fan mail with gifts as well as some giant Rainbow High box parcels that we will be revealing in the same episode. I'm super excited about one of those big boxes as I know it contains some amazing items. And we also ordered a unique Rainbow High variant that we will be looking at. It may be one of a kind, so tune in for the next episode of That Doll Rescue Show. We are using pure acetone to remove all the makeup. It's best to use a rolling action to pull the paint off the face so you don't smudge it. Also, we want to remove the shimmery highlight Jade has on her face. And all the green paint from the head has to go too. We wanted to experiment with the eyes and try to repaint them from the inside. By removing the backing paper and then using acetone again, we tried to remove the paint, but that was a fail. The eyes were just too difficult to get all the paint out of, so in the end, we opted to replace the eyes. Finally, we removed the last of the eye makeup as we plan to repaint the whole face in a pale skin tone. More of that glittery highlight to remove. Then, a final clean to remove lipstick and any leftover face makeup, and she is ready for her transformation. We fashioned some skull earrings from a jewelry kit from Hobbycraft. We will paint them to match the doll's complexion later. Comparing them to some Rainbow High earrings, we can see that the wire is too thin to stay in the ears. To solve this problem, we will mix up some Milliput epoxy clay. The clay is a bit hard at first, but mixing them thoroughly to blend both parts makes the putty nice and soft. Now we are forming the clay around the wires to thicken them. They will take a few hours to harden, then a light coat of acrylic paint will finish the job. We're making the horns out of Warbler thermoplastic. It's great for making all kinds of things. The heat gun is a bit overkill, but after moving house recently, we can't find the hairdryer. We roll it into shape, and using the picture of a goat as a guide, we make the horns match the real thing. These tubes of paint make great supports while the warbler hardens. A layer of milliput will be added here to finish the horns. It sticks to the warbler really well. We work our way up the warbler until the horn is completely covered. Once we have covered the horns using a fine point, we scratch the details in the milliput. When we paint it, we hope that the paint will collect in the scratches to create a realistic detail. We fix the horns to the doll head using superglue. Sadly, due to a technical problem with our camera, we lost the footage of the painting stage for our project. It was very unfortunate, but these things happen when you're on a budget. We used a matte varnish to make a base for the doll's face, then painted a soft pale skin tone in acrylic paint. After that, we did her eyeshadow and lips, finishing off with gloss varnish on the lips and eyes. We will show the full paint process in our next doll transformation, but now here are the results of our hard work. Don't forget to like and subscribe or follow us if you would like to get notifications for our next video. This is Aria Sonnet signing off with a kiss.
I am Capricorn, the untamed spirit of the earth signs. I am stubborn at times, but also determined to achieve my goals. My governing planet is Saturn, which makes me deeply concerned with the passing of time. I am often in a hurry and pushing forward so as to not waste time. Time and life are both precious to me. I have a mischievous side and can be playful, but don't butt heads with me or you may be sorry. I can come across as cold and emotionless, but my feelings run deep and I'm caring and passionate.